Hello, I am Milind at WATTHOUR Private Limited, and we are creating sodium-ion batteries, and we have created few cells using different variety of cathodes. I am a mechanical engineer from IIT Madras 98 batch, and my other team members are postdoctoral, and they have done postdoctoral in material sciences, and they have used variety of cathodes to create sodium-ion batteries. We are providing this not as a replacement of lithium batteries, but in addition to lithium batteries, because the demand is very huge. In India, the demand will be uh, around 500 gigawatt hour by 2035. Indian government is trying to create environment to so that so so that this demand can be fulfilled. And at present, I think there are only few players who are creating plant. I think in Jamnagar, Reliance is trying to create a plant of 5 gigawatt hour that will be operational by 2027. Ola is trying for 2 gigawatt hour in Chennai, and JPM is trying for zero point 0.5 gigawatt hour, and there are other players also. So we are in touch with a lead investor, which is a public listed company. They produce steel in India, and they are interested to invest in us. And there are other investors also. So we are trying. We are in a process to collect as much investment as we can to create as big a plant as we can. In case if you want to know more about it, please get in touch with me. And we are in a process of filing IP. And we are doing more and more research on that. We are trying to enhance the cycle life and the capacity of sodium ion batteries. Thank you so much.